Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're here for the first time. Today I'm unboxing my Allure February box, which I am super excited. This is my second month getting the box. I was previously subscribed and I really loved it, and then I was unsubscribed for a period of time, and now that I'm settled I am back to getting the Allure, and they were good before, but they are super good and better now. So if you want to see what I got in my February box, then just keep watching. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about is I want to talk about this lip color that I'm wearing, and I'm sorry, but I forgot this came in my last month's box and I did not even show you guys, because as soon as I got it, I put it on and then I put it in my purse. Oops. So it is so pretty, and it's by, I think it's Doucce, and it is super beautiful, and I'll have it listed, everything that I talk about I'll have it listed in the bottom bar. Okay, so all right, now that we have that out of the way, let's see what came in my little bag. So last month it was red. This month it is this cute little black clutch, and so the first thing that is in here is called the Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose. And oh my gosh, it's so super pretty. And let me see. So usually you get this little pamphlet here, and it tells you everything that's in your box and what it is and how to use it. They give you the price of it. So this mask is $7. And it looks like they have several different scents that you could buy, and then you can buy it on the Mamonde.com. That's a mouthful. So love face masks, and let's see, it's supposed to hydrate. It's a hydrating face mask. So who doesn't love that? And as you get older, your face and your whole body needs hydration. So let's see, where is something that I'm super excited to talk about is the Brow Gal. Okay, if you guys have been following me for any amount of time, you guys know that I love the Brow Gal. Like this, where is my Brow Gal? Right here. And I'm actually wearing it in the corner of my eye. It's like my go-to like highlighter, crayon, brow bone, all that. And then on the other side there's a contour stick. So I have been using the heck out of this, and I was super excited when I found out that they were having the Brow Gal what is it called? Let me give you the exact words so I don't make something up. It's the Brow Gal, the Instant Tinted Brow Gel, and this is valued at $22. You can buy it at thebrowgal.com, and you can get it for 10% off with Allure 19. I have been wearing it, and I do like it. I wish the brush was a little bit smaller, because I've been looking for something to use instead of the Benefit Give Me Brow. I really like their brush. I wish they had more product, but I was looking for something more drugstore. Now this isn't exactly drugstore, but it's cheaper than Give Me Brow, and I really like it. I've been wearing it. It gives you pigment, and it also has like, will simulate like the lash hairs, and it holds your brows in place. So I am loving it. I know Clara talked about this on her channel. I think it's Beauty is Ageless, and she likes this as well, but she also likes a drugstore one. I'll either put her channel right here in a card so you can check her out, but yeah, so I really like this, the Brow Gal. Okay, next is another company that I super duper love, and it's Wander Beauty, and this is their mascara, and it's the Mile High Club, and it's super beautiful packaging, right? And I don't have this mascara on today because I filmed another video, and well, I'm sure you've already seen it. It's the Ulta haul. So this is what the brush looks like. And it's a nice mascara. I'll have to use this in another tutorial so I can show you what it looks like, or maybe I'll use it on Instagram and let you see what that looks like. But it's a very nice mascara. I wouldn't say it's worse or better than anyone that I use now. So this is worth $25, and you can buy this at thewonderbeauty.com. You can also save 20% off with Allure WB at checkout. So yeah, so it's a really nice mascara. And you guys, one of the things, or one of the reasons why I subscribe to like these like beauty boxes is because you can get really good products. Like I only pay $16 for this box. So you're getting these products that otherwise you would pay more for individually, and you're getting everything for $16 that you get to try. And if you don't like everything, it's not a big deal because you've only paid $16, and sometimes you get some really awesome stuff. Like I love Allure. They're just one of my faves. So another thing I got is this Moda brush. I have a few of these Moda brushes actually in this gold right here. Let's see which one this is. So this is the Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. So it looks like it is a precision brush. It's a soft precision shading brush. It's the Holy Grail eyeshadow brushes. It does so many different things really well. So you can get this. This is $4.99. They have really good affordable brushes. You can buy it at modabrush.com. You can put Allure 20 in the checkout to save 20%. You can also buy these brushes, maybe not this one in particular, but Walmart also sells Moda brushes. So yeah, this is another good, like a drugstore eye brush. Okay, this is by Modelco. I checked this out already. I'm not a big like eyeshadow trio girl. Like I prefer palettes and all-in-ones. I mean, these colors are super pretty, don't get me wrong. Like, look at that. Those colors are pretty. But I like a variety. So I'm not even going to swatch that because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but it's super pretty. It's by Modelco. Let's see what that is valued at. So it is their Eyeshadow Trio in myKonos. It is valued at $15. I apologize for the dogs. Jeez. So you can buy it at modelco.com. You can put Allure 18 in the checkout to receive 30% off. That's pretty good. So you can see kind of, I know Modelco is a pretty, Lord, be quiet. I'm not talking to Lord, I'm talking to the dogs. Okay. That's not my dog. Okay. Anyways, I forgot what I was saying, so let's just move on. All right, another thing is by Mamonde. Gosh, I can't even say that. It's a petal spa oil to foam. So it's a makeup remover, which I love to get these because the more trials and samples I get, the less I have to buy. And it is a spa oil to foam cleanser. The full size retails at $21, and you can get it at us.mamonde.com. You can enter Allure 30 at checkout to save 30%. So let's see if this has a smell. It smells like rose. Yeah, I love rose smell. So yeah, so both of these are by the same company. So that's really nice. And last but not least is this Mally, and it is a liquid lipstick. Mally is a very popular brand. I do love Mally, and I was going to put this on. I have not tried it, but I wasn't sure since I got this one and I love this one. I hate to like keep too many of the same color. So this is the Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick, and this is $21. So this is a full size. So this is a $21 product. So say you only got this paid for your whole Allure box. And you can buy it at qvc.com. There are no discounts. And let me tell you what the color is. Oh my gosh, it's called Sweet Berry. So, but honestly, it looks just like this one, the one that I'm wearing. So I just don't even want, like, it's beautiful. If I didn't have this one, I would definitely have this baby on. So that is it. All that's left is my little makeup bag. But I don't know, what do you think about this month's Allure box? I absolutely love it. I can't wait to try the rose mask, the cleanser. I love this. I love the brow gal. Moda brushes, yes. The only thing that I'm kind of on the fence on is this trio, but it's super pretty. I'm not a trio girl. So anyways, that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you'd like to share it that way. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.